Hello again, welcome back to my channel, Adges Out and About. Today I've come to the Rushall Canal again for the part 2. I'm starting it where I left it last time, the Sutton Road Bridge, which is just at the back of me up there. I'm filming this today on my new Samsung S21, so I'm hoping this will, make a big difference to the picture quality. So come and join me for the walk. Oh, so it feels so nice to be, getting out and about again. Really clears the cobwebs out of your mind, if you know what I mean. Because I'm going through quite a stressful time at the minute, with my work and so on. Well, to be out here, it's like none of that even exists, So it just feels good to be out. Breathing some nice air, seeing some scenery, seeing some wildlife. Makes it all worthwhile. Bloody hell, this is overgrown. Very old bridge. see the view, what we get off here. So there we go, guys. We completed the Rushall Canal, back where I started, going up that way last week. So yeah, we've done it, we smashed it. And please guys, if you like what you see, and I hope you've enjoyed the picture quality on this one. Hopefully it's a lot better for you. So if you like what you see, please guys, hit that subscribe button. You know I appreciate it and it means a lot. Okay, so I'll say thanks very much, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks very much, bye for now.